Yang baik cuma buat kemesak minta tolong menginap di Kedesa. Buat aku beli baru kita dan bentamo akan dikejungat nanti kejongi kumkapati. Tangita di sia naya keren sibet mau beli shwa. Beli shwa.
Dan boxer.
Beli ho. Siapa benar jom sibet.
Mbak. Oh, Mbak.
Bang.
Mbak, Mbak nak jual pavi box saya, Mbak.
Apa tadi? Lapu, lapu. Mo, lapu iba.
Leo.
Lapu iba. Kekupar lah itu lupa tuh. Lanjut lupa. Ya. Pelak yang TV baca. Pelak.
As a partner, so look forward for good results.
But Ricky, Section 144 has been imposed in this area. What is your message you have for your followers?
Well, it is from the party. We request all our supporters and even others to respect the decision of the authority and to maintain peace and to be part of this this great country of ours, to ensure that democracy is maintained, peace and tranquility will continue to be part of this state and this country of ours.
One last question. God willing,
Yes.
and let's put it this way, that if the magic happens, what's the plan for the day?
Well,
Because I'm sure all of your supporters are, all around the entire districts are waiting for the call. So what is the plan for the day?
so we'll let you all know. Let's see.
Wishing you all the very best.
Thank you.
Jai Bepo.